Hello and welcome to this short message to tell you about an exciting event which is happening on Monday the 20th of January in the year 2020, that very auspicious year for everyone involved in eye care. The event itself is being organised with iNews and alongside experts in the University of Manchester, Glasgow Caledonian University and also the University of Edinburgh. And the event really encapsulates the multidisciplinary working between optometry and ophthalmology as exemplified by a series of talks. We've got Tariq Aslam, who will tell us about AI and all things machine learning related and how it might impact our jobs in the coming years. We've got David Hoyle, also from Manchester, demystifying AI. We have Neil Strang, Professor of Optometry at Glasgow Caledonian University, telling us all about an exciting collaborative project, acronym SCOON. And we've also got Javid Khan from here in Edinburgh, who'll tell us about some advances in medical imaging, and he will tell you about 3D holographic displays he's been developing in Haloxica. So it'll be an action-packed, educational and a very informative series of talks. It'll be an exciting day to interact across disciplines of optometry and ophthalmology. And of course, here in the University of Edinburgh, we run the Masters, the Distance Learning Masters in Primary Care Ophthalmology, specifically related to trying to upskill all those involved in eye care across specialties, across disciplines, across professions. And I think this day will encapsulate exactly that collaboration. So thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you on Monday the 20th of January 2020.